Hi, in today's video we are going to see some basic Unix commands that are related to creating file, printing the file, and we will be seeing what all the options that are present in creating or printing the file, and how can we print the file in next line, and how we can put content in a file. So all these things we are going to see. So let's get started. First, we need to open our Cygwin terminal. Now, to print a line, we use echo command. Okay, echo. And then what you want to print? I will print hi. How are you? Okay, then hit enter. So we are able to print. Now, if you want to print in next line, for that we will be using / echo hi, and how are So you must be wondering why it isn't working, because in Unix there are multiple options, like for to print in the next line we need to use option called -e, small e, in order to print in the next line. So yeah, you use e and then /n. How are you? It will work perfectly fine. Let's complete the sentence. Now if you hit enter, it will show how are you in the next line. Okay, perfect. So the other options that we can use with echo is capital E. So we will see what that will give us. Hyphen and capital E. If you put this, and also in Cygwin the copy shortcut, like a keyboard shortcut, will not work. It will give you error. So if you want to copy, you need to right click and copy, and then right click and paste it, because otherwise it will not work. Then hit enter. See, so if you use -E, it will not remove the backslashes. That is a default. It will print you as it is. So we considered, we will say this is a default option, you can say. If you use a small e, it will remove the slash and put print in the next line. So now the third option that we get with echo, we get to use with echo is -n. If you see -n, Are you able to spot the changes? What is difference in capital E and small n? Yeah, you guessed it right. As we can see, there is no trailing new line. As you can see, in the case of capital E, we are getting the new line, blank new line. But if you use -n, you will not get the new line. And if you want to use two of these together, you can use it. So yeah, if you want to use any two options together, you can do it. Let me show you how. Like if we want to print in the separate lines, but we don't want the blank space, blank new line, so we can use -a, -n, and then the line. If you find this video was helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.